6.6, Interpreting Line Plots Mastery Check. Number 1, use the line plot to calculate the median test score on the most recent test that Ms. Smith gave to her algebra class. So we want to find the median, which is the middle score. So I'm going to write out these scores in a list so that I know that I don't make a mistake in finding the middle. You don't have to do this. You can cross them out on here, but it is a lot easier to make a mistake that way, and I recommend doing it this way. So I'm writing out all of the test scores, and each x represents one test score at the value below it. So 2 x's above 50 means 2 people got 50s. So I've written out all those test scores, and now I'm going to find the middle value. So crossing out lowest and highest, I'm left with 70 and 90. When I have 2 numbers in the middle, I find their average to get the median. So I have 70 plus 90 is equal to 160. And then when I divide by how many numbers there were, which is 2, I get 80 as my median. Number 2, what was the mode of the test scores shown in the plot above? Well, remember, mode is most common, and that's really easy to tell with a line plot because it's the highest column. There were 3 100s, and there weren't 3 of any other score, so 100 is the mode. Number 3, which of the following statements is true? The median age is higher than the mode age. We're talking about ages of students when they learn to read. The median age is less than the mode age. The median age is equal to the mode age. The graph does not give enough information to determine the median or the mode age. So obviously we need to find the median and the mode of the ages students were when they learned to read, so we know which was higher, the median or the mode, or if they were equal. Well, just looking at this, I can see that 6 is the mode. So the mode is equal to 6 because 6 is the highest column. There are the most students that were 6 when they learned to read. Now I'm going to show you how you find the median without doing it this way, but by actually just crossing off. So I'm going to cross off the lowest age and the highest, next lowest, next highest, next lowest, next highest, lowest, highest, lowest, highest, lowest, highest, lowest, highest, and I'm left with 6. So the median is also 6. So that means the median age is equal to the mode age. That's choice C. Sorry, it's kind of covered up. Number 4, how many students are represented in this line plot? Well, we can see how many ages are listed, and each student has an age. So I'm just going to count up the ages that are listed, and that will tell me how many students are represented. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 students. 15 students. Number 5, how many students were older than 5 when they learned to read? Well, all of these X's, remember, represent students and their ages. These guys were 4, these guys were 5, so everybody over here was older than 5 when they learned to read. So I'm going to count up how many people there were older than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students were older than 5 when they learned to read.